You are about to bless your besties with a selfie. You snap that pic, looking like a whole snack, obvi, and hit send. But what happens next? Like, does it teleport through the internet or what? Nah, fam, the internet is dank. No cap. That pic gets chopped up like last night's pizza into tiny little pieces called packets. It's like sending a puzzle one piece at a time. But how on earth does your lit snap reaches your bro who's like 20,000 kilometers away? Cables. The real MVP is cables. I know, sounds sus, but the whole internet is connected with these bad boys.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Wi-Fi and your fancy internet provider might seem like magic, but they can only send signals for short distances. Think of it like Bluetooth, but way less sus. But hold up, how does your pic only reach your bro and not some random dude in Antarctica? That's where the internet's secret weapon comes in, IP addresses. Every device has a unique IP address, which works like an address, of course. Every one of those chopped up pizza slice messages has your bro's IP address on it, like a delivery instruction. Once they reach your bro's device, it's like putting the puzzle back together and voila, your flawless selfie appears, ready for all the fire emojis. But you might be thinking, I sent the message on Instagram, they received it on Instagram, so what's the deal? That's where domains come in. Like .com or .org, they're basically fancy code names for IP addresses. So Instagram has its own domain, which leads to a server. Think of it as a bunch of computers working together like a super brain. Your message gets sent there first. The server checks your ID like any bouncer at a lit party and then forwards it to your bro's ID. This is also where hackers are busted and encryption makes it authentic. Same idea even for texts. They are chopped up into packets just like your selfie. This works for all your apps. They're all connected to these servers in some way. This happens like millions of times per second and makes pure lit communication.
Now there's one more thing. One more thing.
Have you ever low-key wondered why games get glitchy? Say you're dominating an online game, then suddenly freeze in a place like a statue. That's lag, fam, and it ain't fun. See, those data packets got to travel fast, like ninjas on a mission. But sometimes they get lost or dropped, also called packet drop. This disrupts the flow, and your character gets stuck in the digital mud. The more packets drop, the worse the lag, making online battles feel like slow-mo dance parties. So, even though it might seem like magic, it's pretty simple. Your phone converts your message and any other type of data request, which can be your gaming action, a whole YouTube video, or maybe just a simple text or snap, into packets and sends them to your Wi-Fi box. Your Wi-Fi box sends these to your fancy internet provider using cables, then the internet provider sends them to the app server, and finally that server returns a response in the same format of packets. Now these returned packets can be something as simple as a text delivery confirmation or something more complex as a 3-minute video. Pretty simple, right? Anyway, this is how you and your squad chats millions of times a day. No glitches, no errors, just pure lit communication.
Just stop. Just stop it. Stop. No. Just stop.
Hope you guys have learned something new. And if you want a free cookie, do your magic down there, hit all the red, blue and white buttons, and I'll see you in the next one.